This is my actual wardrobe and it's an absolute mess. I was so reluctant to film this because, well, it's part of my profession to clean people's wardrobe, and here I am with my unkempt, non-following rules. But it happens, life goes in the way. So I've decided to declutter and organize my wardrobe, and I thought, why don't I share you my signature 7 steps on how to organize your wardrobe. Hi, this is Jainee Gandhi. I'm an image consultant and a personal shopper. I have decluttered over 400 wardrobes in person, 100 virtually, and 200 or so during my group workshops. So whatever you see right now on how to organize your wardrobe is my signature 7-step process, which will make wardrobe organizing and picking things easier for you. Now, why is wardrobe organizing important? Whenever your wardrobe is unorganized, you will not find things. If you can't see it, you will always feel it doesn't exist. And hence, when people they declutter their wardrobe, those Diwali times or spring cleaning, they find things in their wardrobe as if Santa Claus has left for them. But no, those things were already there. Why you can't find them is because you don't organize your wardrobe well. So today I'm doing a practical organizing with my wardrobe, sharing the steps with you. So get your pen and paper out, check the steps. If not, then I have an active vlog where I've mentioned all these steps, and you can also, after this video, go and read the blog to write down those steps in detail. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. I make relatable, wearable videos, styling hacks that all of you can opt for irrespective of your age, race, size and color. What I'm trying to do this as a more practical approach. So I'm going to bring my clothes rack and start removing all the clothes, and then take you with my clothes rack to a better position where we can declutter, sort and organize them for a better approach to the wardrobe. All right? As you can see, this is the unkempt version. If you can see, the shirts here have no rhythm, no color. The wardrobe looks very uninspirational because you don't know what to pick. So let's bring the clothes rack out. The wardrobe's empty. Let's take the clothes rack and start with the 7 steps of how to organize the wardrobe effectively. Hello, so here's my clothes rack. You can directly do this within your wardrobe, lay out everything on the bed and then sort. But I have a clothes rack and I thought it's great for demonstration purposes, so I'm going to use the clothes rack. Although I can see that my clothes rack is not able to take so much weight, so we'll begin the process soon. The step 1 is to categorize your clothes. Whenever you're arranging your wardrobe, categorizing clothes is extremely important. Just imagine you have some tops in this side of the cupboard, some tops in the other side of cupboard, and then some dresses here, some dresses there, some pants here, some pants, skirts, everywhere it's scattered around. Even if you're doing that, this is my casual wardrobe, this is my formal wardrobe, this is my occasion wardrobe, what happens is you're not able to utilize your pieces in transitional way. So you're not able to utilize your piece from one occasion to other because you just don't remember where your clothes are. So the step 1 is categorizing of clothes. I got my laptop and my article so I don't forget when I'm telling you. So the categories that you should divide are your tops, your tees, blouse, shirts, your pants, all your denims and your trousers, then your skirts of all kinds, your dresses of all kinds, your outerwear of all kinds, then your gym wear, your ethnic traditional wear, your costume clothing meaning that you're just wearing it for one of the events, and then your emotional and sentimental clothing. I have kept a space for your emotional and sentimental clothing as well, because we all have those pieces that we want to store and we all have those emotional pieces that we don't want to discard. So let's put a category even for emotional clothing. So today I'm going to organize my first 3 categories, my tops, pants and skirts. I always like to categorize these clothes together because tops are to be used with pants and skirts. So when you're doing it together, you get this rational view that will all your pants and skirts have couple of matching tops, and are you wearing all the tops that you have? Okay, so that's how the categories are done. The step 2 is declutter. Yes, you heard it right. The step 2 is declutter. Now, decluttering is absolutely important when you're organizing your wardrobe, because I am simply against just decluttering the wardrobe. What happens when you're just decluttering the wardrobe is you have no idea but why you are decluttering it, and then gradually, even after decluttering, you keep on pulling those clothes again to put in your wardrobe. So I'm going to start with decluttering. Whenever you start with decluttering, see to it that A, if the fabric quality has faded, the whites have faded, or B, you've not used this for a couple of years and you've still kept it. So if it's a sentimental clothing, put in a different pile. But if you've not worn it because it doesn't fit you, the colors have faded, the fabric has gone wrong, then please declutter it, pass it on to someone that can use it. There is no point storing these things in your wardrobe when you're not going to use it. So I'm going to fast forward now in the video, but in reality, start decluttering this. Now my wardrobe more or less works for me, hence I have decluttered just 3 tops and 1 skirt in the pile that I don't use it and it's just lying there. The third step to organizing your wardrobe is sorting color coded. Now, how does color coding sorting help? If you look at these things right now, it's not color coded. So if I am wearing, say, a maroon trouser and I want to pick up a white top, I'll keep on searching which white top. Should I pick up this one? Should I pick up this one? Because the white tops are not bunched up together. So I always suggest that color code them. Color coding is easier when you want to mix and match. At the same time, your process to pick up things from the wardrobe gets easier. Alright, so let's again fast forward and I'll color code this. So I color coded my tops and all my bottoms. What happens with color coding is I can realize, okay, that I have so many whites and I don't have to buy any more whites. Color coding gives you an idea that what color is missing from your wardrobe and what color you have like to the death, and you don't have to buy, in my case, 1 more white. I have enough whites. What I should in fact invest is more colorful pieces, because if I look at my wardrobe, I have whites, blue, black, gray, and very few colorful pieces. So maybe next time I should invest in more colorful pieces. Also, color coding will give you a fair idea of how your wardrobe looks like. So every time if you're wearing a printed pant and a white top, that's because you have enough white tops and that's your easy go-to style. And if you want to switch things up, then you know what is missing and what you need to buy more. Step 4 is sorting lengthwise. Now, sorting lengthwise works fabulously when you're sorting your dresses or jumpsuits. So you know that how many short dresses, midi dresses or maxi dresses you have, or how many play suits, rompers and jumpsuits you have. Sorting for skirts also makes a huge impact for you to know that how many mini skirts, midi skirts, maxi skirts you have, how many shorts or full trousers you have, and in case of tops, you will understand whether you have crop tops more, regular top size more, or your longer tops more. This gives you a clear window to your wardrobe. So we will now start sorting it lengthwise. Sorting lengthwise doesn't mean that you will move on to different colors. The colors stay there. So if I empty my whole, if this is whole of my white, and if I want to sort this color wise, you sort it only within the same color category. Don't move on from other colors to sort. It stays within the same color category. The next is sorting occasion wise. Now I know we discussed in the first one where I told you that don't keep your clothes here and there, everything has to be together. So everything here is together, but sorting them on occasion wise also helps you understand how many t-shirts do you have for casual days, or how many blouse-ons do you have. So I am currently taking the example of the whites that I have, and I'll show you how we do it occasion wise. So this is a white shirt. Clearly I can wear this for smart formal, or I can wear this for my business, and that's why I'm creating this as my office wear white. One trick with white that I can share with you is after ironing, I always outturn my shirts or tops So can you see it is not the straight side but the outturned version, because if something in the pile touches, then the chances are that on the inside of the shirt is more, and when I wear the shirt that color won't be visible. So I always outturn my shirts and then store. So I create this white. Now I have this t-shirt. This is clearly casual, so I don't want to put it with my white. I'm creating this as a casual pile. This is again a blouse on, so it can be used for office or it can be used for some nice fancy places. So I'm going to put it next to my office wear. Again a t-shirt which goes with the casual pile, blouse on, then again a t-shirt which goes to the casual pile, t-shirt goes to casual pile, blouse on. Yep, done. So even if I just give you an example of the whites, then I'll see that I have more whites for my smart casual days and I have 4 white t-shirts for casual days. So this gives me a clarity that I have enough to wear for smart formal or smart casual or formal or whatever category you want to put this into. I have enough of those whites and I don't have to buy more. I have 4 white t-shirts, which is also enough. I don't have to buy more. So clearly I don't need more whites. The same process you continue with your other colors. The step 5 of sorting through occasion or seasons, like I said, also makes sense, because what we're trying to do is arrange your wardrobe in a way that creates a rhythm for you. For example, it's winter right now and you know that you're not going to wear crop tops, or you know that you're not going to wear singlets or sleeveless. I will say in such a case, when you know that you're arranging your wardrobe, pick those pieces, fold them and put it in your overhead cupboard. You don't need it in your eye space getting confused on what to pick and what to wear because it's cold outside and you're not going to wear it. Similarly, when it comes to summers, just pick up those woolens and turtlenecks from your wardrobe, wrap up, vacuum it, keep it in the overhead storage because you don't need it at your eye level. Your wardrobe needs to create a rhythm, and these 7 steps are helpful to create that rhythm for you. Step number 6 is showcase your clothes. Everything that we are trying to do is showcasing your clothes to its optimum utilization for your eye level. Like I said at the start, that if you don't see it, you will not remember it. We keep on buying these clothes and putting it in a pile, and then the new clothes take the forefront and the old clothes just go back and back. So if you can't see it, you'll feel that it doesn't exist. What we're trying to do with showcases, for example, it's winter right now and you need your turtlenecks. You're not going to wear your cotton spaghetti straps. You're not going to wear your crop tops. If you're not going to wear those, then I will suggest that pile them up, fold it properly, vacuum it, keep it in your overhead storage. What you can see are the clothes that you need right now. That helps in your seasonal sorting. Occasion sorting, what I did, sorting by smart casual, formal, that gives me a clarity of what I have. So displaying is important. One trick that I don't have right now, but you should ideally opt for if you're building a new wardrobe for yourself, is get similar hangers. Similar hangers create a nice view for your wardrobe and it creates that inspiration. You don't feel very haphazard because then your hangers will look haphazard. I had similar hangers, but then I have my husband, my kids who keep on pulling up and create similar hangers in their wardrobe, and I'm left with like just the leftover hangers here. So having similar hangers are a great way to put up your clothes when you're hanging. If you don't have so much of hanging space and you're going to put your clothes or fold your clothes, I'll say invest in clear boxes. Okay, if you're going to pile all your denims and shorts in one box, I'll say invest in clear boxes. You get cloth boxes which are 3-side covered with cloth and then a plastic in front to see, or you get actually acrylic clear boxes from various places, and you can put those clear boxes, put your clothes for you to see that what category clothes you have kept. The more you see, the more you will wear it. Please remember this. And the last step is creating a wardrobe rhythm. When I say creating a wardrobe rhythm, means that when I open my wardrobe, what am I able to see? Am I able to see inspirational pieces that I love dressing up? Or am I looking at clothes which don't fit me right now and I keep on telling myself, oh, when I lose my weight, I'll be able to wear it. for emotional clothes, for aspirational clothes, for clothes that you have but you're not sure if you'll wear it, why don't you just fold those clothes and keep it away from your actual wardrobe? This makes sure that every time that you're opening your wardrobe, you have clarity of what you have, and trust me, following these steps will give you a window in your wardrobe like no other, and your what to wear situations are going to be less. You can't find clothes in your wardrobe and hence you're forever confused as to what to wear because you don't even know whether that thing is there or not. These 7 steps will make sure that whatever you need is there within your iframe. I will now quickly put these clothes back in my wardrobe, and you can see that how my wardrobe looks a tiny bit neater and cleaner just by sorting these colors, lengths and styles. Next time I want to pick a piece, it's going to be easier for me. So that's it. I sorted all tops, pants and my skirts, and I'm going to repeat the same process with my dresses and jumpsuits to do these 7 steps of categorizing your clothes, then decluttering your clothes, sorting them color wise, length wise, occasion wise, creating a rhythm with your wardrobe and displaying your pieces. It's extremely important for you to see what you want to wear. If you have liked what you've seen so far, please like this video and hit that subscribe button. Every single subscribe and comment counts. Thank you. Bye-bye.